Struggling to keep your Illustrator design streamlined and organized? Today, we're diving into how to seamlessly connect your Adobe Creative Cloud library directly within Illustrator, supercharging your workflow. First, let's ensure you've got your Creative Cloud library populated with assets you regularly use, things like brand colors, logos, or frequently used graphic elements. Now, in Illustrator, navigate to the window menu at the top of your screen. This is where the magic happens. Almost all vital Illustrator tools can be found here. From the drop-down, select Libraries. This opens the Libraries panel and will appear typically on the right side of your workspace. This is the gateway to your cloud assets. Here, you'll see all the libraries you've created or have access to in your Creative Cloud account. If you're logged into your Adobe account in Illustrator, which you should automatically be, you will see your assets appear here. If you have multiple pre-existing libraries, they'll be listed here. Now for the fun part, drag a color swatch, graphic, or text style directly from the Libraries panel onto your Illustrator canvas, or select and use it on an object you've already created. You can easily reuse the assets you saved in the cloud. You can also select any shape or element on your canvas and click on the library asset to change the properties of the selected object. Want to add something new? You can also create and save new assets directly to your library from within Illustrator by selecting the object you created on the canvas and clicking on the plus sign in the Libraries panel. And that's it. You're now connected. This integration streamlines your design process, promoting consistency and saving you valuable time. Use your Creative Cloud assets directly in your designs. Happy creating!